Hello friends and foes, welcome to our video, Camping in the Pacific Northwest Rain. 2 weekends in April, I plan to camp in the Pacific Northwest rain with my son. What was the chance of rain for each day during these weekends? It was 100%. So I looked at these weekends as an opportunity to teach my son about facing discomfort and dealing with hardships. People, especially kids, have it too easy now, and this has given rise to a comfort crisis. Me and my son would be challenged, and we'd have to problem solve. This would hopefully help us grow together while we battled the elements. First things first, we need shelter, so we had to set up tarps with rope. Under huevo! I quickly realized that I'm no expert at setting up tarp lines or tying camping knots. It took me over an hour and 15 minutes to set up the tarps while being distracted by my son. Needless to say, it was a steep learning curve. Then it was time to set up the tent. This wasn't difficult, but again, I had to deal with young Aryan wanting my attention and distracting me. Tent site slightly collapsing here, but we'll survive one night. Once that's finally done, we get to reward ourselves with a nice hot fire and some marshmallows below our covered tarp.
Okay, you eat this one. Yummy.
Ouch, ouch.
You like it?
Where do you go?
I'm here, buddy.
Where do you go?
Hey, Ari. Are you cozy? Okay, lie down.
What?
Lie down. Okay, you want books? Okay, let's read some books.
Put it here. This one.
This one? One Love? Okay, let's read some books.
If you want to read the book, go to his
Libros, sí.
Go see.
Okay. Day 2, still standing. Hi, Ari. Rough night sleeping? A bit cold, eh? Oh, Sparry. Whoa, you're doing good, Sparry. Whoa. Then, just as a slight escape from the rain the next morning, we decided to go to the Britannia Mining Museum. Can you spot Aryan by this big mining truck? Oh, there he is.
Curious to know what they're making in 1965? Yeah. $2.37.5 an hour. With an opportunity of bonus of between $10 to $30 a day, depending on footage broke or tonnage moved. So you could double your wages and you still think it will last not much. 1965, the beer to beer probably was 10 cents.
Yeah, that's the mining machines. Yeah. And this is where the miners went to work. You can go inside. You can go inside. Following this, it was off to Alice Lake to walk and talk with my son. As you can see and hear from the following clips, kids are impressively curious and they have majestic imaginations.
That's sit abreast. Pacific Northwest Forest, buddy. Look how green it is. You know why it's so green? Because it's always raining. Very fertile land for plants, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all green. Pretty beautiful, eh?
Look at it. Look that.
Those are called ferns.
What's wrong?
Those are ferns. And that's moss. It grows everywhere because it's always wet. You see that?
I want to see.
You want to sit down? Are you tired?
Are you tired?
I'm not tired. Yeah, the trees fall.
Yeah, look at that one.
You know why I brought you here?
Yeah.
I knew it was raining. You know why I brought you here even though it was raining? To have you prepared for hardships. Because people have it too easy nowadays.
You have to wear jackets.
Yeah, you have to wear jackets and rain gear and then you get outside.
And it rains.
Yeah. 'Cause it's not fun to stay inside, right? So,
Yeah, it's the fun and stairs guys.
yeah.
And why? As a frio.
It's not frio. As long as you're moving, you're not cold.
Look, pumpkin is real comfy.
Camping gives you frio? Yeah, it's pretty cold in the morning, eh?
Look, that tree's so bigger.
That tree's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one doesn't have any tree in the bottom.
There's no branches, right?
No.
I think they've all fallen off. Oh. You want to walk more?
Now I'll give a quick parenting tip for fathers here. Dads, get down and get to eye level with your kids. Listen to them and give feedback. It might seem tedious and uninteresting now, but you're solidifying your relationship with your kids. Invest the time now and this will pay off when they're older. They'll be your confidants and best friends.
My treasure, the one that like found a treasure, you have to like board these sticks and then you do find treasure. You have to break the sun like this.
Whoa, you have to break the sand, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. How deep is the treasure?
Long there.
Where?
Long there.
How many feet?
You know what all your treasure?
Where?
The big ones.
Big ones or where?
The big ones like the little
Oh, the Lego City treasures, eh?
Yeah, do you know? You have to find treasure like the Lego City, like the treasures.
Mm.
You know, the people like this play treasure up for your babies.
They play video games and then they get treasures?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come
Oh.
here.
I think it's raining again.
Come here.
Cover your ears?
Yeah.
You remember that from the mine?
Come here.
Cover your
gonna
ears.
really come here. I'm gonna put a loud noise.
Okay. Dynamite? Ah! You know, that's how they blasted into the mine? With dynamite? To get the rocks, and then they accumulated the rocks, and then they showed us how they ground down the rocks slowly over levels, and then you know what they got from it?
Yeah.
Copper! Yeah, copper.
Okay. The first,
Thank you. Now go bring another one. Go get another one. Oh, good job. This one's making custard. Okay, put it right here. Put it right here. Good job, good job, good job. Thank you. Oh, no. So what we have to do, we have to align it properly like that. Now move and I'll split it. Good job. That's okay, we'll put that later with the axe. Thank you. Now go bring me one more. Smell this. Smell that. What does that smell like? What does it smell like?
Tasty.
Do you like the smell?
Yeah.
It smells like pine or something. It smells like a really nice smell, right? Okay, Blueberry, go bring me one more. Bring me one more. Thank you. Campfire going. Ready for a campfire story? And look here. Someone's falling asleep.
And on that note, that concludes our first weekend of camping in the Pacific Northwest rain. There were some challenges, but we got through it. Now on to the next weekend. Put that on yet. Here, gum. Okay, listen to me, okay? Then I will give you pan chocolate. Now again, the first thing to do was set up the tent. I learned from my mistakes last week. First and foremost, the best way to keep my son occupied and not distracted was to have him involved in the setup of both the tent and the tarps. In order to keep him engaged, I had to give him constant encouragement during the process. There he is, trying to get one of the poles into the middle of the tent. And here he is, bringing the stakes and hammer to me while I hold up one of the poles. Here, he's doing his best to try and hammer one of the stakes into the ground.
Good boy. Now if you want to get more force, hold it from here, like that. See that? See? Try that.
Now, just get the fly on the tent and nail in the final stake. And here's Arian horsing around as we finish.
Barry, are you doing a horseplay? Are you doing horseplay, buddy? Are you doing horseplay? Whoa! 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 Bow for the camera like this.
Good job on your first tent setup, Arian. Congratulations. Take a bow. Now, it was time to set up the dreaded tarps. This was still haunting me from last week. As I'm doing this and reflecting on learning, here's a quick message for my sons. Kids, information is widely available nowadays, and there's no shortage of it. In fact, most people will be questioning what's the purpose of the modern school system when information is so accessible nowadays. I don't have an answer for this, but kids, I can tell you this. What will set you apart from others is how you can use and apply this information, along with how well you can problem solve. An example here, I learned all about setting up tarp lines during the week but I had to problem solve and use these logs to get up higher. This way I set up the tarp lines higher and they were more functional. I also problem solved by wrapping the tarp line around the hammer here. This way I was able to get one end of the tarp line around this branch where it was optimally positioned. So kids, I read up all about setting up tarp lines and tying camping knots, but this just served as a foundation. I had to apply what I learned, use whatever I had access to, and problem solve to get the job done.
Now, my friends and foes, we're Syrian. Let me show you.
Playing with sticks.
I'll take this time now to highlight the importance of being bored. It gives you the opportunity to explore creativity, to keep your mind busy. Look, he's playing with sticks. No devices here. Yeah, I'm gonna eat 5. Okay? Let's get you some beans. Some roughage. Beans, boy, beans. It's cooking. It's cooking, buddy. Got your hat? Okay. Okay. Hi, buddy.
Look how
Okay.
want to eat it?
Yeah, let me cut it for you, buddy. You can take off your hat.
No.
You want to keep your hat on? Okay, buddy. Oh. Try and eat the vegetables too. It's good for taking a shit. Wait. Let me cut it.
I want that is for you. This is for me.
No, you eat the rice too. Eat that too. Oh yeah. Can I get a QQ? Can you give me a QQ?
Ew.
View of the beach. It's very
are you
Huh? Ah, já brava. Oh, bad.
Yeah, lie down.
Lie down.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Not like that, like this.
Like this?
Like-
Okay.
Yeah, like
Are you
this.
getting wet?
No.
Okay.
Now we're gonna put all these formations.
Are you finding a treasure? What do you do when you find it? What kind of treasure is it?
I don't know.
Was it buried a long time?
Huh?
Was it buried a long time ago? The treasure?
It's down here. The beach has a treasure down there.
The beach has a treasure too?
Yeah, down there where it's close.
There's a shark?
Yeah,
No.
yeah, yeah,
There's a shark.
yeah,
You know how hard it is to find treasures?
yeah,
You have to be very, very diligent.
yeah,
And then you know what we find?
yeah,
A treasure.
yeah, you can find.
And you know what we do with the treasure?
Yeah,
You know what we do with all the treasure? We'll give it away.
huh?
We'll give it away.
Why?
Because we already have money. We already have money. We don't need any more money, right?
Why?
So we'll just give it away.
Why?
All the treasure, the gold and the jewels. Because.
What are you gonna find?
Hey, what did you put in your mouth? Go like this. You have sand in your mouth. Well, that's okay, that's okay.
You want to open it? Wait, wait, wait. Move back, move back. Oh, okay. You said you could.
Okay, let's put these.
Oh, that's
Do you know how many marshmallows you ate last week?
what?
12. 12 in front of the campfire. 12. How many do you want to eat this week? Let's try and eat 4. Let's see if you can eat 14. You want to try 14?
I'm gonna try 14.
Okay. This is going to be number 1. Actually, you had 2 earlier. This is number 3. So let's see if you can do 14 today. That's a lot of marshmallows, eh, buddy? But who cares? You're only young once, right? No?
When I'm big, I'm gonna.
When you're bigger, what are you going to do? Are you going to eat more marshmallows?
Yeah.
Who's going to eat more? You or your brother?
Matthew?
Matthew's going to eat more? Okay, here's you go. That's your first marshmallow. You. How's the marshmallow?
Tasty.
Last week you ate 12. How many are you going to eat today?
14.
14.
14.
14 marshmallows. And don't tell mommy, okay? Because this is your dinner. Still raining. Arian, what are you drinking? Cream? What are you drinking? Cream? Are you going to drink it all? Cream? Okay. Just trust the calories, buddy. That's it. Don't finish it. That's a lot of calories, buddy. It's okay. Make out some food. Rain all night. All night. But our tent's still standing.
Make it, Harry. No, no, no. Look here.
Now kids, part of camping is learning to live off the land, emulating our ancestors. Here I'm using this fallen branch with multiple endpoints to hold up the tarp next to the picnic table.
Raining, buddy. Raining. Oh, what are you going to do? Oh, we got to find things to do. This is one of the reasons I brought you here. I can also pull you with the leech out. You want a cookie? Harry, you having fun? Having fun, buddy? Stay beside me, stay beside me. Okay, good. Stay beside me, buddy. We got a hill to climb now. You want to go see the waterfall? Let's go see the waterfall. Come on, Sperry! Woo! Let's go! Come on, Sperry! We got a waterfall, brother! Whoa, that's steep. Whoa, Niagara Falls! Look at the waterfall, buddy! Pew, pew, pew! Pew, pew! Keep going faster, faster. Keep going fast, fast, fast. Faster, brother. Ah! Good job, Sperry! Hey, Harry the Sperry! Ah! Oh, Banjo! Whoa, careful, careful, careful! Oh, Banjo, John, lagas ka! Oh, yaar, ख्याल नाल चला bike, cycle! Faster, faster, faster! Faster! Faster, faster! Fast, brother! Catch you there! Wow! Good job, high five. Hey, you're dirty. Good boy. Did you have fun? Yeah? Good boy. Did you like riding the bike? That's fun, right? Are you hungry? You're hungry? Good. Ari, what did you eat? Hot con chocolate? Hey, what are you wasting the pepper for? Oh well, we're leaving. We don't need pepper. If the bear comes, that's going to give him a little tingle in his mouth. Hey, buddy? A little tingle. Wait, wait, wait. What is it? What is it? Whoa! What are you doing? Look here, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? If mommy sees this, she's gonna kill you. Who's your favorite? Puppy. Say, who's your favorite? Daddy?
Chocolate.
Who lets you do this? Daddy lets you do this, right? Eat the box too. Eat the container too. Okay, that's it. You know why you're doing this? Because you're gonna take a shower. So it's okay to get dirty. Okay, no more. Okay, one last scoop. One last scoop. Is it good? Okay, you're very, very dirty now. That's enough, okay? You have to slowly add kindling and make it like a teepee. Stop. So where's the other wood? There? Okay, so put that shaving right here when it gets going a bit. Wait, not yet. Let it get going.
Why?
Good. Now, just let it go. Let it burn a bit.
This one, no?
Yeah,
I want that one.
This one you can add, yeah, right there, right on top of it. Good boy. Yeah, it's a good boy. Now leave it, let it sit.
This one?
No, let it sit a bit. Let it sit and burn. Just for a minute. Okay, as soon as you see it burning, then, as soon as you see it gathering fire, then you can put that piece on. Otherwise, you're gonna put out the fire. Okay, now look, it's slowly gathering fire. Wait. It's slowly gathering fire. Let it gather fire completely, then you can put that piece on.
This one? Why? Can I cut it apart?
Yeah, you can cut it. Cut that piece smaller. Put a smaller piece on. Okay. See, you start small, then you get a big, strong fire. Okay, put that piece on. That small piece in your hand. Put it on. Put it in the center.
Here?
Yeah, right there. Good boy. There. Now that's gonna help build a bigger fire. Just wait.
Look, this one is smaller.
Okay, that's a good small piece. You can put that one too. So these small pieces help get the fire going bigger. Look at how big it's already starting. And look at this little shaving I'm gonna put here too. Oh. Now let's just leave it alone a bit so it gets going. And wait, buddy, wait. So if you see it smoking in the beginning, that's a good sign. All right, good. You want to put another piece on there now? Okay, cut off a small piece.
Okay.
Actually, you've done that pretty well. You know what, if you can cut that piece in half, you can put that on. Okay, put those slivers on. Good job. You're a good fireman.
Like this slivers.
You know what? I think you can put this whole piece on now. If you angle it, give it to me. I'll show you. See, if you angle it, you can put the whole piece on, like right here. Look, yeah, just let it set. There we go. That's a nice base for the fire. See, and it's in a teepee, like a tent. Yeah! Now you're a professional fire starter. Yeah, break it in half.
There we go, buddy. Thank you. Now, you know what you can do? No, that piece is wet. That piece is wet. We don't want to put that. Look at that piece at the end there. Right there. No, at the end. At the end. No, further. Yeah, yeah, right there. Yeah, that piece. Grab that piece. And no, just bring it. Just put it on. Put it on here. Yeah. Yeah, you can put it on. Okay. Now pretty soon our fire is gonna be really big, buddy. Okay, and you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tell you a really good campfire story. Okay, now you know what we need next? Now we can start working on the bigger pieces. Wait. It's gonna start getting hot. Maybe you shouldn't touch that. Okay, grab a bigger piece. Look at that piece right there.
This one?
Below it. Below it, beside it. Yeah, you can do this one. Break it in half. No, break it over your knee. Go like this. Yeah, like that. Use your force, brother. Yeah. I see. You know what the next step is? Patience. You gotta let the fire build up now. Okay? Good. Thank you for attending fire starting school. You're a very, very good student. Did you enjoy your class today? Good boy, good boy. Arian, stand away from there because it's going to start to get really, really hot. Yesterday I touched it and my hand almost burnt. Okay? Okay, Arian, now look at the fire. Good job, buddy. You added the pieces just right. So you got to keep the fire open. Make sure you don't add too much too fast. Now we can start adding bigger pieces. No, that's too big. Pick a piece, not that big, but not that, a bit smaller than that.
Why?
Ready? Okay, get up.
This?
Yeah. What? Dos minutos? Okay, I'll be patient. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, give it to me. So this one will go.
I put it. So I put it where? This one.
No, you can put it there, but just put it so that it's. Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, put it so it's facing up. Yeah, right there. That's fine. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Right, like this is best, like that. Okay, now just leave it. Let it smoke a bit. Okay, let's get back. Oh. Let's tell the story very, very quickly. We're gonna play, but let's just quickly listen to the story. You know what the story is called? It is called The Black Sheep. And you know who else is in this story? You. I think you are. Okay, the Black Sheep. Okay, let's start in university. There's a certain someone we know who was in university. Well, he just felt he didn't fit in university. It seemed like everyone around him was very, very robotic and that he was being structured to behave a certain way, etc. But, fair enough, after a total of 5 years, he graduated at the age of 24 and he entered the workforce. But he felt very, very incomplete, like there was something missing. He kept asking himself, is this all there is to life? So he thought he was getting depressed. He was very sad.
Why?
Because he wanted more out of life. So he went to go see a doctor. And during the time that he was waiting to see the doctor, he kind of discussed what was happening. He said he just finished university. It was his first year. He entered the workforce and he just wasn't feeling satisfied. No joy in his life. Basically felt just like a piece in the assembly line.
And he told this to the nurse. And you know what the nurse said to him?
Yeah.
She said, that's life. That's the same for everyone. And you know what he was thinking?
Yeah.
After being structured and being in school for 19 years of his entire life, he was thinking, I gotta live. And then you remember the saying. You know what that saying was?
Okay.
Most people die at 25. They're just not buried until they're 75 or 80 or 85 or whatever age it is that they physiologically die. Then the black sheep,
Yeah.
he kept questioning himself. Is this all there is to life? So he decided no. So he would start traveling while he was working 2 or 3 months every year. And he enjoyed it to the maximum. And at the same time, he started dating someone. But he didn't really like this someone. But still, he felt like he was being structured. And he even got engaged to be married. And you know what? He was engaged to be married at the age of, I think it was 30. And then he remembered another saying. There's not much to marriage for a man. You just find someone you hate and you buy a big house for them. Is that true, boy? No.
Why?
So then, at the age of 30, he really decided, you know what? Enough. I was structured to live a certain way at university, and with work, structured to behave a certain way for this many years, and I haven't really had any freedom. So he ended up breaking up with his fiancée, and then he started traveling. And you know how many months a year he started traveling?
Yeah.
6 months a year. And he would just do relief work here, this black sheep. So he started traveling in Brazil and South America for 6 months every year. He would have stayed even longer, but he couldn't stay for more than 6 months in the country. So he did that in his 30s, up until his late 30s. And you know what the black sheep did?
Yeah.
He had enough. But he had some great memories, the black sheep did. For he could say he's never met anyone who traveled and visited as many beaches in Brazil as he did. He'd never met anyone in his life who did. So he was satisfied. And then in his late 30s, although traveling, he just wasn't getting the same satisfaction he did earlier. So then it was on to the next phase of his life. He had a full-time job here and he settled down here. And what did he do to keep himself busy here? Well, he was mountain biking, making videos and exercising and working full-time. So he was well settled and he was happy here. He was pursuing his interests. Not having much luck in the dating scene, but that's okay. He was doing what he wanted, and he was happy. Now, fast forward for the black sheep to about the age of 42. He was presented to a certain woman. Yeah, I think you know this woman. She started chatting with him in WhatsApp. And the black sheep decided, hey, I'd like you to know a bit more about me. So he sent her a video of himself, mountain biking and exercising and living here in Vancouver. And as he sent it, you know what he told her?
Yeah.
Be careful. When you watch this video, you might fall in love. And you know what this woman's reaction was?
Yeah.
She liked this guy. You know why?
Why?
She saw authenticity. He was free to do what he liked.
Gentlemen, no.
He enjoyed making videos. He enjoyed mountain biking. He enjoyed fitness. This was displayed in his videos. I don't know much about women. But do you know what women really like in a man? Authenticity. You like to see someone happy being themselves. So this is what attracted her to him. I think amongst other things. And at the same time, the black sheep, what he really wanted in this life was to have a family. I mean, he pretty much pursued with his interests everything else he wanted to do in his life. What else attracted this woman to the black sheep was the fact that he had lived in South America, that he could speak Spanish and Portuguese. So there were some qualities that showed, that were shining in him. Now, not too long after meeting her, you know what happened? Someone was born. I don't know who, but someone was born. And then this certain someone was given a brother. I don't know who, but a certain someone. Now, son, you know what the moral of the story is? Simple. Follow your inner compass. Do what you want to do, and everything else will fall into place. Society was always trying to structure the black sheep, amalgamate him into being like everyone else. When he would take off to South America, they kept asking, what was he doing? When he would be back here, spending all his time mountain biking and making videos, people were asking him, why are you doing this? What are you getting out of making these videos? Do you know what the black sheep said?
Yeah.
He kept quiet because he wouldn't understand. So, the moral of the story, son, retain your authenticity. Do what you want to do. Everything will fall into place.
The end.
The end. Thank you. Okay. You want to read a book now?
Let's go latte. Let's go latte.
So that's it, our 2 weekends camping in the Pacific Northwest rain. What do I got to say at the end of these 2 weekends? What an experience. I mean, all we needed was rain gear, tarps, and a bit of preparation. Now, was it easy setting up tarps? No, kids. It's hard work and it's time consuming. But hard work always leads to satisfaction. And what a feeling it was to hear the rain pounding on the tarp as you were off to sleep. And what a satisfying feeling to wake up, look at our setup, and know that we battled the elements. And what great memories. We were laughing the whole weekend. Thanks for the memories, Arian, and thanks everyone for watching.